People born in July are excellent readers. If they aren't reading books, they are reading people. July-borns are happy people, but their temper will shock you, so don't piss them off. You can't get away with lying to a July baby. They can read your body language like a book. July-borns have a ton of respect for people that are honest and open. July-borns don't like telling someone what to do or how to do it. They are free thinkers. July-borns will always have a mask on covering their true emotions. You don't need to know unless they want you to. If a July people isn't interested the first time, they'll never be interested. Don't tell a July people what they want is impossible. They will set a goal and prove you wrong. July-borns often prepares for the worst, but that doesn't stop them from hoping for the best. For a July people, it's so much easier to pretend like everything is fine instead of getting all emotional. July-borns are the most brutally honest of the zodiac. They don't care who doesn't like it. People born in July, if it happens, it happens. They don't want to rush into anything when it comes to friendship or love. People born in July has 3 rules. Don't lie to them, don't use them, and if you're tired of them, let them know. July-borns already knows who's fake and who's real. They just play along. Comment. July baby is the CEO of, and let your keyboard finish it. July-borns doesn't do phone calls unless you're really special. July-borns love their sleep, but they hate when they can't shut their brain down. They could be up all night just by thinking, you think you can hurt a July people? They overthink everything, so they already knew you were gonna do that. July people is the CEO of disappearing and ignoring people when they're not in the mood. Forgiving people in silence and never speaking to them again is a form of self-care for July people.
People born in July has no friends, not because people do not like them, but because July-borns are very careful about who they let close. They do not trust easily, and they do not waste their time on fake people. July-borns would rather be alone than be surrounded by people who do not really care. But when July-borns finally call someone a friend, it means something real. They are the kind of friend who will always pick up the phone when you need them, who will listen without judging, and who will stand by you, even when things get hard. July-born believes in loyalty, honesty, and kindness. They are slow to open up, but once they do, their love and support are deep and strong. They remember your favorite things, they cheer for your dreams, and they protect you when life gets tough. July-born does not need a big group to feel important. They know their own worth. They would rather have one true friend than 100 fake ones. Their quiet strength, patience, and heart make them rare and special. If you are lucky enough to be called an July-born friend, you have a friend for life.